1909 is available in two core door styles, an in-frame shaker and an in-frame slab. The in-frame shaker is 24mm thick, solid alder frame with an MDF paper-faced centre panel. It's available with conventional hinges and also with butt hinges, with or without beading. The two beading options that we have are a quarter round profile and half pencil and scalloped. Our shaker door can be ordered from stock as sanded or on a paint to order basis in a palette of 32 colours in a smooth matte finish. Our in-frame slab door is constructed from 22mm thick MDF coated in a paintable paper. With a solid alder frame, the door can only be specified with conventional hinges. This door can be ordered from stock in a primed finish or on the paint to order basis. The Matrix is a great place to start when planning your 1909 kitchen. It features all the different door styles and sizes that are available and any popular combinations of doors. It now features two visual confirmations as to whether the door is compatible with moulded plinth. A green tick for yes and a red cross for no. General rule is fixed frame doors are compatible, whereas combination doors are not. Cabinets for 1909 are standard PWS sizes and the same as our other in-frame ranges. We recommend using 18mm thick MFC. The standard dimensions excluding the doors are base cabinets 720mm in height and 560mm in depth. Wall cabinets are 720 and 900mm in height and 300mm in depth. Dresser units are 1210 and 1390mm in height and 300mm in depth. And finally, appliance towers are 1970 and 2150mm in height and 560mm in depth. Curved frontals are available to suit the standard 300 by 300 curved cabinet and also a larger 560 by 560 curved cabinet. Jigs are available for both of these curves. The doors are 50mm oversized and overhang the bottom of the cabinet.
In 1909, the overhang is 50mm, giving the look of an integral light pelmet when used on wall units, and a place for the moulded plinth to register against on the base. The frame is made up of two thicknesses of profile, 36mm for the top and sides, and 68mm for the bottom rail. The system is the same concept as our other in-frame ranges and overhangs the cabinet at the bottom. The frame is fixed to the cabinet using the fixing kits supplied with the door. There are 3 kits suitable for doors, drawers and curved doors.
For more guidance on how to design and plan a 1909 kitchen, please refer to the full technical manual.